Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at a few devices from ESR. These are Halo Lock, like 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 wireless chargers that you can use for your iPhones. Really, kind of targeted towards the Apple ecosystem. This is the second of a couple videos. I did a video prior about the CryoBoost Halo Lock car charger. Now these are kind of wireless desk chargers that also you can use, obviously kind of in a desk office situation. So I'm gonna open both these up, kind of do an unboxing and a quick first look at them. Now ESR also did send over basically their a protective phone case, and this is the ESR Hybrid Case, which has their Halo Lock piece. Obviously just MagSafe compatible kind of case. So this is a Halo Lock magnetic case. So I will be using this kind of with my iPhone 13 Pro Max just to demonstrate, now I got fingerprints all over it, but anyways, forget the fingerprints, but you get the point, right? So typically I do use an Apple leather case. I do have an ESR kickstand on here, which is actually really nice, around $10. If you're looking for something to add to an existing case and give you like a kickstand for vertical and horizontal viewing, it definitely, it's worth taking a look at the ESR kickstand. I'll link to that in the cards and the description if that's something that's interesting to you as well. But anyways, this case I'll also link to. So clear case, MagSafe. So we'll take a look at this first one, and this is called the ESR Halo Lock 2-in-1 wireless charger with CryoBoost. And as you may or may not know, CryoBoost is basically the branding that ESR uses for their system to reduce the heat kind of on your device as it's magnetically attached. So basically you're saying CryoBoost is our answer to wireless charging biggest problem, heat, creating a constant flow of cooling air over your phone, using heat dissipating components. Basically, if you control the heat a little bit, then the phone should charge faster. It's kind of the basic premise here. Some instruction manual. Now the stand itself, this is the 2-in-1 stand. It's pretty heavy duty. It's really it's machined aluminum. It has a little bit of an angle adjustment at the top, connection for the wall plug, and then basically it does have a button where you can turn the CryoBoost on and off because it does have a fan noise. So if you don't necessarily want the CryoBoost function, there is a button here, you can turn it on and off. But that basically has a wireless adapter, can use with a MagSafe compatible phone up here, and then you can also charge on the charging pad down here. Pretty cool. Has a weighted base and kind of some silicone grippy feet, so it shouldn't slide around if you have it on your desk or whatever. Yeah, so overall, looks pretty cool. You can put it here. Obviously, kind of turn it multiple directions. See the cooling fins and the fan there. This is pretty strong. So you also get a power adapter for this, obviously. So this is a wall plug. Go ahead and put it on there. Starts charging. And then I just press this button once and the fan did come on. I don't know if you can hear, I'll put it up by the microphone, so it is pretty quiet. And it doesn't make a ton of noise, which is nice. And like I said, you can basically kind of angle this a few different ways and adjust it. Kind of flip it around. I mean, overall, fairly simple. Like I said, you can horizontal, vertically attach the device. It has an outline for like the AirPods, and I will have to grab some AirPods to kind of test this out. So I do have the AirPods Pro here. If you go ahead and put those down, I don't know if you can see, but it does show that it's charging. And then you can put this on here. So basically you can charge 2 devices at a time, one being your AirPods, one being your phone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the 3-in-1. And then basically the 3-in-1 gives you the ability to do your phone, your AirPods, and an Apple Watch. So basically you can charge multiple devices at the same time. So in the box, you basically get similar setup, a wall adapter for this, some instructions, etc. But then you have, just a slightly bigger setup. And now if you look at this, it's kind of like almost exactly the same as the 2-in-1, except extended a little bit so that they could put the iPad or the Apple Watch there, right? So this will require you to have your Apple magnetic charger for your watch that goes in there, and then basically there's a little cable routing off to the side so that you can use that. So I'll go ahead and do this. So you can pull the probably not the best way to do this. But basically the bottom of this pops off. And then you can take your the plug for your Apple Watch charger and kind of route it through the inside of this, so you can kind of just follow this little like racetrack. And then there's basically a USB-C or a USB-A on the inside, so you can plug into that, so that then you can power your watch charging without having to run a separate cable, right? So you just kind of run a cable in there, do it around, plug it in, put the bottom back on, and then you have the ability to basically charge your watch using the same power adapter that plugs this, that charges this, right? So I'll have to do that later at some point. But yeah, basically that's how it works. So basically, same deal. Plug your phone, you turn on and off the power or the CryoBoost with the switch. Super hard to see, but there's a tiny little push button switch there. Basically turn on and off. And then you can put your AirPods underneath, and then your Apple Watch right here. Like I said, I don't actually have my Apple Watch with me right now, so otherwise I would connect this up and show you. But, fairly simple, fairly easy to understand how it would work. And there you go. So if you do want to check these out, ESR is selling them now. They are launching in the middle of July. I don't know when the exact date is yet, but it'll be part of the post when I put this on YouTube, so you'll know, and I'll link to them. I'll link to these so you can figure out where to purchase them and how to buy them, etc. Definitely 2 really cool options if you need some sort of desk stand and you want to charge multiple devices, so your phone and your AirPods, or your phone, your watch and your AirPods. Very, 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 very cool devices from ESR. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below and I'll be sure to answer. I'll link to these in the description. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.